In this video we're going to have a look at the 4Motion 4-wheel drive system controls in the Tiguan. And they're controlled by this dial down here by the gear stick, so you can see where that is. And there's actually two parts to this control. The first part is this outer dial here which you can turn, and the second part is the button in the middle which you can press. So the 4-wheel drive system controls are controlled by the outer dial, and then the driving mode is controlled by the button in the middle. So first of all, with the 4Motion 4-wheel drive system, controlled by the outer dial, and the mode that you're in is this LED light just up on the outside edge here. So we have 4 modes here around the outside edge. We have snow, road, off-road and individual, where you can personalise the settings yourself. So these 3 preset modes are the ones that are going to be used the most often. We're currently in road mode, which is basically 4-wheel drive is optimised for use on tarmac. So basically you're going to have front wheel drive and a little bit of drive to the back, and the 4-wheel drive will then send up to 50% of power to the back wheels as and when it's needed, so it'll be monitoring whether the front wheels are slipping or not. So if you drive into a slippy surface, you're going to get 4-wheel drive automatically. However, if you know you're going to be driving onto a different surface, so for example snow and ice or mud, then you can pre-select 4-wheel drive for better performance by turning to one of these other modes. So in this position, the 4-wheel drive system is optimised for best performance in snow and ice, and in this mode optimised for best performance off-road. In the individual position, it's basically going to go off individual settings which you can adjust in the infotainment unit settings here, so you can select which settings you want in that particular mode. The central button for the driving mode will change between the usual 3 driving settings, which are Eco, Normal and Sport. And again, this is going to just affect various aspects of the vehicle, such as the steering feel, the throttle response and the adaptive cruise control response, and also the air conditioning power mode setting. So with each press, it's going to bring up a display on the infotainment screen, and then we can select which mode we want to be in.